How to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to deactivate WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically open the WhatsApp application here. Once you open WhatsApp, let's say you come to your profile page and then you basically want to deactivate your account. One thing keep in mind is that WhatsApp does not have a deactivation option, because the direct option is just deleting it. But what you can do is you can stop using WhatsApp by following a couple of things. The first thing I want you to do is go to chats and then just go to chat backup, and then make sure that you have backed up all of your chats to your Google account if that is important to you. After that, what you can do is just open up settings, then just go to the option called notifications. After you go to notifications, just go to app notifications, and then you can just go ahead and select WhatsApp from the list, and then just turn off notifications for WhatsApp so that you will not receive any sort of notifications from WhatsApp. After you've done that, if you want to basically delete WhatsApp, it's totally fine, or if you want to hide it, you can only hide it from your home screen depending upon which phone you're using. Bottom line is that there is no option to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp, as WhatsApp doesn't provide that option, but you can just temporarily delete the app, turn off notifications, switch off your Wi-Fi and do other things. This way you can deactivate WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.